Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we are going to discuss about Pythagoras Triplet Efficient Code. So this is very simple to understand. So first we will understand what Pythagoras Triplet means. So from the basics of Pythagoras theorem, we already know that a square plus b square is equal to c square. So 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. This is what we call it as Pythagoras triplet. These triples are going to form the Pythagoras equation. That's why we call it as a Pythagoras triplet. So the question here is, given list, they are going to provide you a list. We need to identify the Pythagoras triplet exists or not. In the given list, if there is a Pythagoras triplet exists or not, that is what we have to identify. Example 3, 2, 4, 6, 5. In this list, we need to identify Pythagoras triplet exists or not. If existed, we have to display yes, otherwise display no. 3, 4, 5. Yes, Pythagoras triplet exists. We need to display it as a output. Our output is yes. If no such pair exists, no such triplet exists, then we have to display it as a no. And they are going to ask you the time complexity should be the whatever the code we are going to write, the time complexity should be big O of n square, and the space complexity is big O of n. This is what we need to maintain. And coming to the first way, the first way is we need to, from the given list, we need to identify the triplets. See, what's triplets means? 3, 2, 4. This is one combination. 3, 2, 6. Another combination. 3, 2, 5. Another combination of triplet. How we identify the triplets? How we pick the triplets from the list? So in order to pick the triplets from the list, we need a loop within the loop within the loop. We need nested loops. See, I is going to take one. This is ith loop, jth loop, and kth loop. Ith loop is going to take the first element. Jth loop is going to take the second element. For this combination, kth loop is going to pick the remaining elements. This is how we can write the code to pick the triplets. But this is not efficient. It is going to take n cube time. Loop within the loop within the loop, which is going to take n cube times. See, we are not explaining, we are not writing the code here, and we are giving a vague explanation. Why? Because our assumption here is you already have the basics of programming, basics of coding. If you are not good at basic coding skills, please visit our website learningmonkey.in. Take the placement training for service-based companies course. First you have to finish that, then you have to come for the competitive coding. So based on the assumption, you can catch these points with this explanation. We are providing this vague explanation here. Now coming to the actual logic, what's the efficient code? The second way, we are going to square all the elements. No need to square the elements. Anyhow, we have to square the elements. That's why we are doing square the elements and sorting the elements. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you square it, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. So from this, 36 can be obtained from smallest two elements. Whether a triplet form using 36 or not, that is what we are going to identify. If you take 36, how you are going to get the 36 value? By summation of two small numbers. So you have to check only the small values, that's it. So this is going to work in this way. This is going to work in this way. With the example explanation, you are going to understand the logic easily. It is not much difficult to understand. So 36, our logic starts from I. We are taking one variable I and another variable j here. 4 plus 25, 29. It is less than 36. So that's why we are going to move I to the right side. I is pointing to 9 because 4 plus 25 is less than 36. Go and check the next possibility. Which one we are going to check? Because for 29 is less than 36, we are moving the smallest element to the next largest element. So 9 plus 25, which is 34. It is also again less than 36. So move I to the next side. 16 plus 25 greater than, see I is moving here, 16 plus 25 greater than 36. So reduce 25 to the left side. Now I and j both pointing to 16. Stop it. We are unable to find a triplet for the value 36. Check the next combination. What's the next combination? 25. Leave the 36. Now we are going to take 25. Again do the same process. Ij 4 plus 16, which is 20, less than 25. So I plus plus 9 plus 16, 25. We found a triplet. Come out of the loop and display it as a yes, we have found the output. It's very, very simple. So this is what we have to do. And coming to the coding part, we are going to show you the coding part, but our suggestion is to take the explanation and try to solve it on your own, then check for the coding part. Anyhow, the coding is available in our website learningmonkey.in. You can download the code and execute the code. So this is our coding part. Here we need only two loops. One loop is going to pick the elements, first element, second element, third element, fourth element. Another loop is going to check the elements from ij, this way. So loop within the loop. Only two loops are needed. That's why our efficiency is n square. Loop within the loop, n square. So this is the code. Hope you understand the example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.